Hi all and welcome in the Opensignal YouTube channel. Opensignal is a desktop application developed for the DISEG Department at the Politecnico di Torino to support seismic ground motion analysis, processing and simulation. This project was developed by me, Luigi, and Dorotea, my colleague. We are two students of software engineering faculty at Politecnico di Torino, and we developed this application with the supervision of PhD student in earthquake engineering and structural dynamics, Jean-Pierre. The goal of Opensignal is to bring together in a single user-friendly environment the main tools required to work with the earthquake records, such as ground motion selection, target spectrum definition, spectral scaling, signal processing, site response analysis, and spectrum-compatible accelerogram generation, such as time-domain spectral matching and synthetic motion simulation. This application is designed for researchers, students, and engineers working in earthquake engineering and structural dynamics. Instead of relying on fragmented scripts or external tools that requires repetitive manual procedures, Opensignal provides an integrated workflow where seismic records can be selected, processed, and visualized in a very consistent way. Through its different panels, user can manage real ground motion records, as you can see in this panel, and also define target spectrum in this panel, or also scale records with respect to the target previously computed, and also match the original ground motions with respect to a target, or just having as an input a ground motion and defining some seismological parameters. This is the case, for example, of synthetic accelerograms. Opensignal so aims to improve productivity and reduce human error, making seismic signal processing more transparent and reproducible. So it provides a practical bridge between earthquake engineering research, numerical analysis, and professional seismic assessment workflow. As an important feature, this application provides an extensive documentation that you can read inside the application itself if you are stuck in a panel and you want to learn something more about some features, some parameters, or the algorithm that is behind the screen. You could just click this help button in the toolbar in either panel you want, and you will read a very nice documentation about the screen, about the panel, and the algorithm you are running. So if you want a more detailed breakdown of each Opensignal panel, you can watch dedicated videos available in the English or Italian playlist. Each playlist includes a separate video for every section of the application, where the main feature, inputs, outputs, and recommended workflow are explained step by step.